This is an explanation and description of the process involved in the setting up of a 10-metre mushing yurt. Now we can fit the insulation felt. Starting at the door with the tags on the top and the coloured lining inside, gradually walk around tying as you go. Make sure that the felt is lifted up high enough over the top of the walls to clear the ground by at least 2 centimetres. The tags are tied in this way by crossing them under the slat and then making a knot on the top. If some don't correspond to the slat, then just make it to the nearest one. Do not stretch the felt too much, as there is plenty of it to go around. The folding of the roof felt is done by laying it out flat on the ground with the coloured lining facing down. Then by taking 2 opposite sides, roll it up towards the centre like a long double tube pointing towards the door. A rope is then tied around this at the end and it's hauled straight up over the hub until the hole, which is in the centre of the felt, corresponds to the hub in the top of the yurt. It'll be necessary to get someone up onto the roof to help pull the felt and the canvas up in this way. And to support the load, you'll need to put something onto the slats for him to climb on. It's then rolled down over the slats. This is the same with the canvas. This felt is so heavy and cumbersome, especially the pure wool one. It's very heavy indeed. So it's better if it's done in this way to save yourself some stress. Finding the centre of the felt with the hole for the hub, then unfolding it using a couple of spare slats, just pushing and moving it around as you go. Pull and stretch out the felt around the roof line to fold over the edges as you see here.